In a major development, the United States could be compelled to return tens of billions of dollars in tariff revenue if the Supreme Court rules that President Donald Trump overstepped his authority in imposing sweeping import duties, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent warned on Sunday. Bessent's remarks come after two federal courts found Trump lacked authority to levy sweeping tariffs under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit ruled on August 29 that Trump had overstepped by introducing reciprocal tariffs on almost every country as part of his Liberation Day announcement. The court paused its ruling until October 14 to allow for an appeal. Trump has asked the Supreme Court to hear arguments in early November and issue a decision soon after. Since the new tariffs took effect in August, U.S. Customs and Border Protection has collected more than $70 billion, less than half of the $180 billion in tariff revenue gathered this year. Apparently, if litigation drags on until mid-2026, Bessent warned refunds could total between $750 billion and $1 trillion, creating significant disruption for U.S. finances. While expressing confidence, Bessent concluded that losing at the Supreme Court would weaken Trump's negotiating leverage. The appeals court's ruling has cast doubt over the future of Trump's trade agenda, which was designed to cover nearly 70% of U.S. goods imports. If overturned, duties would fall to roughly 16%. Bessent also signaled readiness to coordinate with European partners on additional sanctions against countries still buying Russian oil. His comments came after Russia launched its largest air assault of the war on Ukraine. Trump last month met Putin in Alaska before hosting Zelenskyy and European leaders at the White House. But ceasefire talks have since stalled, with Russia continuing its strikes and Trump privately expressing pessimism about ending the war.